Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. This is video number 3 regarding a really cool software called Pictory. Pictory is a software that you can use to create videos with different tools. You can create a video using text, you can create video using a URL, you can do it with images, you can do it with PowerPoint files, you can record your screen and then create a video. We have checked out some of these different functionalities in previous videos. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works. It's really intuitive and easy to use. If you want to use some of the paid plans of this software and a bunch of different softwares that we have talked about on the channel, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. If you subscribe to the channel, you're not going to miss out any of the videos that we're going to be uploading, and you can check out the ones that we've created previously. I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen a bit better and I can show you what we're going to be looking at today. I will see you guys in the end. So this is Pictory's homepage. In previous videos, we created a video using some text from a blog post. Then we created a video using a URL, an Amazon listing URL for a guitar. Once again, those videos are uploaded on the channel for you to check out. Today, we're going to be checking out some of the templates that the software has. We're going to be creating a short video using the templates and inputting a script that we can create in a different software or that we can create ourselves. For the script, I'm just gonna first go to text to video. I'm gonna click on start with an idea. I'm gonna tell the software that I wanna create a video about cats. This is really general, but the software can create a script using this tool. Pickford, that is the mascot of Pictory, is gonna create a script using just that word. As you see, it creates a really long script. As I showed you on previous videos, you can change this script a bunch of different ways. You can rephrase it, you can shorten it, you can lengthen it, you can change the tone of the script, or you can change it all together if you delete it and then you start with a new idea. For the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna use this script. I'm gonna copy it on the Notes app on my computer for us to use on the templates part. I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna click on the templates part. These are all the templates that the software has. The library is really long and complete. You can search specific templates on this search bar on the top. You can specify the use that you're gonna be giving this template, for example, business tools, course creation, customer service, and so on. And you can specify the way that you want the final video to look, the format, for example, landscape, if you're gonna be using it in YouTube, let's say, 16:9. You can choose portrait if you're gonna be using the video as a short format video in Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Or you can have it square if you want to repurpose it in all the different formats as well. I'm just gonna click on landscape since on the previous videos we created on portrait mode, and you can pick whichever template that looks the best for you. For example, I can pick this one. You can choose once again the format in which you want to create the video, landscape, mobile, or square. I'm just gonna click on landscape. Then the software is gonna prepare the template for you. The template has already some scripts inputted into it that you can use for the video. You can change them any way you want it to. For example, you can take a part of the script that we had with the cats and you can put it on the video. For example, this first part, you can just delete the script on this scene and then copy the scene that we had from the previous script. And the final text would be added on the scene as so. As I showed you on previous videos, you can do a bunch of different stuff in this editor. You can add visuals if you wanna add different visuals from the library. You can search for cats, for example, and you can add these visuals to the scene. For example, if I click this one, it's gonna be changed on the final scene. You can upload images and media as well for you to use in the video. You can change the background of the visuals as well. You can use a bunch of different audio tools. This is the library for Pictory. For example, if you want to use a voiceover from this person, Adam,
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow...
Or if you want a female voice as well.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win.
And if you click on generate and apply, it's gonna add specifically this part of the video. It's gonna read this script, and it has already been applied. We can preview the scene.
Do you love cats? These furry friends capture our hearts. But do you truly understand them? Today we'll explore the fascinating world of cats. Cats are one of the most popular pets worldwide. With their playful nature and unique behavior, they bring joy to many homes.
So as you see, adding a voiceover is really easy. The AI automatically reads this part of the script. Right now this text is not that visible. If we click on styles, we can change it so it's a bit more visible. For example, this one right now is much more readable, and you can pick from a bunch of different styles so you can have specifically the text that you want to be shown on the scenes. Once again, we can change this part of the script if we delete it, and we can have the video of the cat on top of our video. We can delete this text that is not relevant to our cat video. And as I showed you on previous videos, you can even record your own voice to narrate what is happening on the video. You can upload a file if you've recorded it on a different device, for example, your cell phone. And all in all, you can go back to the story and further edit each of the scenes using the template for you to have the specific video that you want to use. So for example, I can use these other images of cats. Once again, I can choose audio, and I can go back to voiceover and choose a different voice.
First, let's look at their body language. Tail position is essential. A high tail indicates happiness. Conversely, a low tail could mean fear.
So that is the part of the text that the software is reading. And all in all, you can change each of the scenes using the template that you've selected so it matches your new script better, and you can add visuals as well so they match the script as well. Once everything is done, we have two options right here. The download option, you can download it without watermarks if you have one of the paid plans, or you can download it with watermarks if you're on the free plan, or you can preview it so you can see that it is exactly how you wanted it to be. I'm just gonna click on that option and wait a couple of seconds for the software to render the preview video. This would be it.
Do you love cats? These furry friends capture our hearts. But do you truly understand them? Today we'll explore the fascinating world of cats. Cats are one of the most popular pets worldwide. With their playful nature and unique behavior, they bring joy to many homes.
But understanding them can enhance your relationship.
First, let's look at their body language. Tail position is essential. A high tail indicates happiness. Conversely, a low tail could mean fear. Ears also signal emotions. Forward ears show curiosity, while flattened ears suggest anger or discomfort. Next comma, we'll talk about vocalizations. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including high-visibility vests, safety boots, and gloves. Communication with your colleagues and supervisors ensures tasks are completed efficiently and problems are addressed quickly. We also offer training and development opportunities for all our employees because your success is our success. Welcome to the team, and remember, this isn't just a job. It's about building your career, and we're here to support you every step of the way.
As you see, the software created a really short and concise video using the template that we selected. It even added voiceover to the parts that we haven't selected the voiceover for, so it added on default. That is pretty much how you create a video using templates on Pictory. It is really easy. It is really fast. We took like 10 minutes to create this short video. Once again, my name is Santiago. I really invite you to go to the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out any of the videos that we're going to be uploading about Pictory. If you want to use one of the paid plans of the software, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. I want to read all of your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you. Bye bye.